चालू केलं. Done. Good afternoon, everyone, to one and all present here. Our OOP Hackathon 2021, and a topic for it is online examination system, Group AH, and we members are Sujot, Soham, Atharva, and myself, Kashmira. So let's begin. So, what is the online examination system? Now, due to 1.5 years, we all were affected by COVID, and that's how we started online examination system. So, it is an examination system wherein examiner gets his user ID and password with his or her admit card. The ID is already saved in the examination server. When the examiner logins to the server, they get the profile already registered. At a specific time, examiner gets a message to begin the exam. The answers given by examiner are saved into the server with his or her profile information. The online examination system also allows users to make corrections in the answer scripts only if the student needed to change any answers within time duration. However, after the duration of time, no answers are allowed to be changed. And okay, okay. So also makes checking the answers secure and error free as computers are more accurate than men and provide faster results. So after the online examination, we do not have to wait for a result. The result we get after we submit the exam. The admin of online examining has multiple features such as add, delete, update topic and questions. So when we can update the questions for other batches and even shuffle the questions. He uses of the online examination system project will be updated version automatically by logging using the user ID and password that is provided at the time of registration. They don't need to reprinting appearance vigilance and the job is done. Okay, so over to you, Atharva. Thank you.
Thank you, Kashmira. So here are some features of online examination system. The online examination system project login system must be present and secured by a password. Online examination system project allows us to save the candidate's answers. Along with the question and answer checking system should be available. So here are some objectives of online examination system. The online examination system project is non-removable examination pattern of today's life. We need a more time-saving and convenient examination system as the number of exami is increasing. For all students and professionals, it is essential to have some basic understanding of online examination system. On this online examination system project, you will get source code with the project. Our online examination system project team will help you to understand the concept of project. So here are some advantages of online examination system. Physical appearance at given location is not absolutely necessary. No time is spent on evaluation. Results are available instantly and can be easily accessed 24 by 7 over the test period. Can be timed to allow y minutes to answer x number of questions. Easy accessibility. Available at a reduced cost. Accuracy is checking the answer, calculating result. User friendly, secure because of authentication. Online exams are convenient, security, uh, flexible. Exams can be assembled, previewed, edited, and published instantly. Over to you, Sujit.
Okay, so now we will discuss the disadvantages of using C++ for online examination systems. The first disadvantage is that many people are not able to adapt to the technology that we conduct online examination on. Infrastructural barriers, as in it takes some infrastructure to build the online examination system, like servers and stuff. The difficulty in grading long answer type questions is definitely a big disadvantage here because uh, it is easy to evaluate a multiple choice questions using the C++, but for long answer questions we need to do it one on one. online examination systems are susceptible to cheating as we don't know how the user is answering the questions. And the conversion from giving exams without books to open book exams can be a little challenging. Thank you. So now I will show you the code and the output. So here is the output of the online examination system code. Firstly, we will enter the college identity, like that is MMCOE. Then we will do the student registration by entering our name and roll number. It will ask us first that do you want to start the quiz. We enter yes. Here some instructions will be displayed, like there are total 25 number of questions. The right option, we have to enter the right option to answer. Total marks are 100. Marks above 90 and above first class. Marks above 80 and below 90 are second class. And marks less than 60 is fail. So you need to score more than 60 marks to pass. So here the questions will be displayed one by one. We have to answer. We have to enter the correct option to answer. So after answering all the 25 questions,
And the user's answer will be recorded and checked accordingly.
yeah. So it will display the student details, your result, and your score. I will now show you the source code. So this is the code for the online examination system. The get data method, it stores the name and roll number of the user. The display methods displays the name and roll number of the user. So this is the main method. This will get executed first. In the main method, first we will ask for the login identity and check if it's correct. And when the login is successful, you will go for the student registration part. In student registration, it will save the name and roll number in the file that will be on your system, local system. It will display the instructions for the exam, and the exam will start. Herein we call all the questions. We are declaring objects for the question class. That way we will be able to get the questions. So set value is a method of the question class. Q1 is the object, and what this does is it will basically give total number of it will give five strings. The first string will be question. The second string, from second to fifth string, it will be options. The next variable, that is, it will be character and be the correct option, and the last will be the number of marks it carries. So there are 25 questions that we have entered. Now we will call those questions. After answering the questions and giving the correct answers and recording the marks, total marks of the correctly answered questions, it will display the name and roll number given in the file, and then it will display your result. That's all. Thank you.
So thank you everyone for listening to us so patiently. And this system, online examination system, is adopted because nowadays from 1.5 year everyone are sitting home, and in that period we cannot stop our curricular activities and academic activities. So from then online system was introduced, and now I guess it is becoming more preferable, as giving offline exams are only preferred and limited to one area, but online examination can be given from anywhere from the part of the world. And so therefore this project is very helpful. And indeed in our project there are many drawbacks, plus we can even improve them, and this can be useful. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.